Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Alice and I haven't filmed in forever. So I don't know if you can tell, you probably can. I've dyed my hair. So today I received a package from Colourpop, which I really wasn't expecting, so I'm super excited. This is what came inside. So this is their new festival collection, which is super exciting. It's super bright and colourful and I'm really excited. This collection is already out. I will leave the links down below. I'm just gonna kind of open the thing. So this bag is so cute. It's an empty palette so you can put the single shadows and pressed glitters in. If I find out how much that is, I will let you know. But it's super cute and pretty and I definitely will use this for like traveling when I just want to take a few eyeshadows. I say that, but then I take about 50 palettes. So then there are 4 pressed pigments. This packaging is so cute. So what's kind of annoying though is that the outside packaging doesn't colour coordinate with the shadow inside. So the yellow one is pink, the pink one is orange, the orange one is green, and the green one is purple. So yeah, but they're still cute, not gonna lie. This pink shade is the shade Sandbar, the purple is the shade Seeing Stars, the orange is the shade 000, I think, and then the green shade is Keep Scrolling. These are $5.50 each. Next, there are 4 cream gel liners. I've already swatched these because I was way too excited. I love Colourpop's cream gel liners. I have been obsessed them since I first got them. I still have the ones I first bought, which I probably shouldn't be using on my eyes anymore. So they have these 4 shades. So there's a green, an orange, a pink, and a yellow. And the packaging does coordinate with the eyeshadow, the eyeliner colour. Yeah. The packaging does coordinate with the eyeliner colour, so that's great. So the pink is the shade Insomniac. The green is the shade Electric Daisy. The yellow is the shade, I don't know how to say that, CRSSD, and the orange is the shade UNTS, like UNTS. I don't know, but yeah, they're really, really pretty and creamy. I can't wait to use those. Those are $6 each. So then there are 8 pressed glitters, which is super cool. I'm not gonna show all the names and the shades and swatch them all because that will just take me forever, but a couple of my favourites. So there's this orangey one, which is Boom Baya. This pearly, bluey, iridescent shade, which is the shade Light to Show. Then there's another one that's quite similar to the last one, but it's more yellowy, and it's the shade Hungry Ghost. And then this one is like a yellowy orange shade, and it's Palooza. These are $5 each. Yay, it's a white cream gel liner. Then we have a white mascara. So when they sent me out their mascaras, I was super excited for them. But then I was also like, why is there not a white? I would love to use a white mascara. I'm so excited for this. And then the last things in this collection is these So Juicy Plumping Glosses. So I haven't actually tried any of these yet. I know a lot of people have tried them and they've come out recently and people like them. So these glosses are $7 each. And there are 3 shades. So there's kind of clear one with yellowy glitters, shimmers in it, which looks really pretty. Then there's Let It Happen, which looks like a really perfect kind of nudie gloss with shimmer in it as well. And then this last one is like a dark nude orangey shade, which also has shimmer in it, which I love. So I'm super excited to try those as well. They also really kindly added in a concealer. This is the No Filter concealer in the shade 00. I have wanted to try their concealer for so long. I think I'll use it as an eyeshadow base. And yeah, thank you so much to Colourpop for sending this out because I cannot wait to try this. I'm not really sure what look I'm going to do, what a shocker, but we're just going to go with the flow and see where we end up. Okay, so because I only have a limited amount of eyeshadows, I have 4. There's literally 4 sitting in front of me and I said 3. I have 4, I was going to say 3 again. And I think I'm only going to use those. I'm going to do something quite simple and just quite easy, to be honest, because it is a festival thing, so it'll be easier to use for festivals. Yeah. So I'm going to prime my eyelids first. So I'm firstly going to prime my eyelids with the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. This is the shade 00 Fair, so the white. I'm firstly going to use the purple shade, which is the shade Seeing Stars. And I'm going to pack that on my outer corner. Oh, look at that. This is a Morphe M506, by the way. I'm going to leave that shade there for now because I'm going to like pack on the shade and then blend it out. I'm going to go in with the pink, which is the shade Sandbar. I'm going to take another M506 and I'm going to pack that next to it. That's really nice. And now I'm going to take the orange shade, which is the shade 000, I believe. And I'm going to put that next to those shades too. So now I'm just going to take the brushes that have the colour on and I'm just going to slowly blend out those edges. Because I don't want to use any other shadows. And I think if I just do this lightly, I'll have to work at it and like add a little bit more shadow and stuff, but that's what I'm going to do. Now I'm going to take this Morphe M562 and with no product I'm just going to blend out those edges. So I'm going to use one of these shades on my inner corner. I'm not sure which one. I think one of these three. I think I might do yellow or orange. I think orange. Right. Orange it is. So this is the shade Boombaya. Boombaya? Whatever that is. I'm going to put that on my inner corner. I don't have any glitter glue or primer on there, by the way. So it's just sticking. I love that. Okay, so as I said, it is very simple, and yeah, I'm really liking that glitter. I never really like glitters because they are so messy, but these really aren't. Yeah, so I'm going to do my base, then come back and do my lower lash line and things, so I'll be back. So I've basically done all of my base. I just haven't set underneath my eyes because I'm going to do the under eye and I don't want to set it before I do so. I'm going to put just a tiny bit more of the white concealer underneath. I did use a little bit of this white concealer. I don't usually like white concealers anymore. I used to, but now I like to go a little bit like darker, not so like white underneath. So I put a bit of normal concealer and then this. But yeah, I like it so far. It's decent. So for my lower lash line, I'm going to use the green shade. This is the shade Keep Scrolling. And I'm going to pack this on my lower lash line. I'm going to put the green cream gel liner in my waterline. I'm going to go put on my lashes and then come back and do my lower lashes and my lipstick and show you guys. So I just stuck on my lashes. These are the So Sinful Greed lashes. I actually really like them. It's my first time wearing them. So now I'm going to use the white mascara. I'm super excited for this. It's in the shade Little White Lies. And I'm just going to put this on my lower lashes. I've always wanted a white mascara. I usually use like eyeliner. This is going to be so handy and just, yeah, I love it. Oh, it's really good as well. It's not like it's not there. You can definitely tell I have it on. Oh, I really like that. I might use a bit of the yellow for the glitter on me in the corner, which is Palooza. Just to add a bit more of a pop because I feel like it just kind of is getting lost. Yeah, there we go, look. Just a bit more like, I don't know, I like the mixture of both. I'm literally obsessed with that mascara and these eyeshadows and the glitter and everything. I'm like so happy right now. Oh. So for lips, I think I'm going to use this Morphe lip liner in the shade Honeymoon. It's just like a pretty neutral shade. Okay, so I've lined my lips with that lip liner and now onto the lip glosses. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use. I feel like it will either be this one or this one. Not going to lie, I kind of fancy using this one, so yeah, I'm going to go for this one. This is the shade, does it have it? Let It Happen. Oh, they're minty. I actually kind of like that it has this applicator, not like a doe foot, because when you get your lipstick on it, it doesn't go back into the product and like the product stays the same colour, if that makes sense. Is it really a video of mine if my cat doesn't make an appearance? Say hello, don't be rude. I love you. I'm really sorry if you can hear my cat purring. Hopefully you won't be able to because I'll probably try and edit it out. But this is the finished look. I'm super impressed with all the products. Like, I actually really love them. They're so vibrant. I love everything. I'm gonna get so much use out of it all, especially, I say like especially things, but like probably all of them. White mascara, 100%. The neon liners as well. Oh man, beautiful. So thank you so much to Colourpop for sending me out these goodies. It really means a lot. I cannot believe that Colourpop sent me stuff. I was so excited when Colourpop finally shipped to the UK. I did a haul on my channel because I ordered straight away as soon as it was available. And I was so excited. I bought so much. I don't know if that video is still up. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did and subscribe if you are new. It would really mean a lot. I'm kind of getting close to 10k now, which is absolutely crazy. I cannot believe it at all. I'm at 9.5, which, oh man, that just looking at that number just blows my mind. Thank you so much for all the love on my videos recently. Let me know if you have any requests in the comments below and I'll try and do them. I'm just gonna have to finish like this because she's on my back now. Oh, Angel, you're so cute. You're right there. Anyway, I'm gonna have to go now. My cat wants cuddles. I haven't been with her all day. She's been like, where have you been? Oh, Rosie, what are you doing? You are nutty. Anyway, my Instagram is Alice King Makeup if you want to go follow me over there. I do lots of different makeup looks, obviously. Hello. And yeah, thank you so much for watching again. I hope you're having a really lovely day and I'll see you very soon with another video. Bye. Say bye, Rosie. Bye. Oh, Angel, I love you so much. I love you so much. I don't want to get a lip gloss on you, but I love you. I love you. She's like, get off. Just put me down and let me snuggle. Oh, you want to go back on my shoulder? Okay. You haven't done this in a long time. She used to go on my shoulder all the time, like on my back all the time, and she stopped doing it, but now she's doing it again, aren't you, Podes?